retail billing software. I'm introducing you Retail Daddy, the world fastest and simple user-friendly retail billing software. There is so many revolutionary updates we done recently. Let me introduce one by one the major updates I will explain to you first. First of all, before going to the major updates, the user interface. You will see the beautiful user interface. Look at that. In each button, this is a menu in the top. While when you are clicking on this menu, the corresponding reports, records, commands, everything you can find. And why there is image means image always memorable for human being. No need to always read and do the work. No, nothing. Just click a once you start use Retail Daddy, the image will stick in your mind and your mind will automatically work. That's a major thing what we have done. And let us go to the another revolutionary technology, Gorilla technology. What is that? Gorilla means, look at that. It's a simple page. It's a simple page. There is nothing currently. And what is that? And we are saying it is a big update. Really? See, for example, you have a garment business or a very big business. There is so many inventory, like it's in 50,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakhs inventories are there. It is impossible to upload all those products into the software. Really? And the material is coming, going, and you are sitting there for adding inventory. It is literally very difficult. So, RAINTECH Software Limited invent a revolutionary technology, Gorilla. What is that? Let me show you. Go to the new. I will show you directly. For example, sari. SA. Look at that. Very carefully look into this. SA. I put a short code and SARE, sari, Kanchipuram. Okay. Enter. That's it. And I am putting you here JE. Enter. JENSE LEVIS men's. Okay, that's it. What I've done, just add 2 products. If you want to make some barcode label for those particular products, of course you can create. For example, the jeans, Levi's, you want to make some barcode label on your desired price, you can do it, yes. For example, Levi's, for example, this price is 400 rupees. Example, click, type the price over here. Just click on enter. And here is your barcode label. Look at that clearly. Louis jeans, selling price 400. Let me print it. And how many barcode label if you want to print it? You can put the quantity over here. For example, 5 piece, 7 piece, something like that. The print is coming for the 400 rupees barcode labels. 5, 6 pages the print scheme. Look at that. It's very clear. This barcode labels, you can fix it in your products. For the same Louis, I can print on another price barcode. Like, click on, for example, 800 rupees. Enter, same Louis jeans, 800 rupees barcode label also you can print. Let me show you. This is very, very informative video. 3, 4, 5 pieces I am printing. Apply and print. Like this. Very simple. Now, look at that. The barcode 800 rupees, Louis. Okay. And the same Louis, I am going to put another barcode label. For example, 500 rupees. Enter. See, Louis, same product. Price is always changing. And when you are scanning it, what's going to happen? You can watch it, yes. Sorry, let me print it. That barcode label also 500 rupees. Print it. Like 4 or 5 pieces I will print it. Okay, now the final one is here. Now, see, look at that. It's 500 rupees, Louis. Now, for same product, I made multiple price barcoding. Let me scan it in front of you. Go to the sales panel, the revolutionary sales panel in RAINTECH software. Click on this, enable this button and scan it. For example, invoice barcode, this one, this one, product only I am scanning. Just go to quick pay button over here. Quick pay button over here. See the invoice is here. What is that? Let me show you first of all. Louis men's jeans, one piece, 800 rupees, 500 rupees, 400 rupees. How many products you want? One product. And how many barcode you create? So many. Unlimited barcode you can create on your own price. If you want to make the printout, here is the printout. Let me show you. Yes, here is the printout. See this? Beautiful invoices in front of you. Like, forget about barcode level. I am doing something different. Go to the Gorilla again. Gorilla again. See this small code JE and SA. Here is so many things are there. Again, we are going to the sales POS over here. And JE 400 rupees. JE 700 rupees. SA 200 rupees. SA 400 rupees. JE mixing, I am mixing it. 200 rupees. Whatever. What is going on? Quick scan. See? The invoice is here. Now see, Louis jeans, one piece, 400 rupees, 700 rupees, 200 rupees. And in between there is, Kanjipuram sari is there. Again, finally there is a jeans is there. Different price and total. Look at that. If you want to take the printout, you can take the invoice printout also here. See? It's a beautiful invoice came over here. How is that? And what about your reports? You need a clear GST report, sales report, everything. Go to tax reports. Go to the tax reports, and here is the sales register item wise. Each and every product GST report you will find it over here. See the products which you added here right now. See Louis jeans, and what is the GST percentage? Everything. See 9 means 18% we added for the demo purpose. Like for example, you may think that how to change that GST. We need only 12% GST, right? Go there. We need to go to the Gorilla again. Now it is by default it is coming 18%. We need to change it. It's very simple. Go to set default, and here we have. See GST, which one you need? 12%. Select it and set default. And the unit, which one you need? Like pieces, package, kg, whatever it is. All the universal, units you will find it over here. And which category it's need to be saved? Save it, successfully save. That's it. Now, when I am clicking new button, it will come 12% over here. Look at that. Here I am clicking new. Look, and it is pieces. Any product if you are adding, it will come on 12% GST. For example, T-shirt. Okay, I just added T-shirt, and I am going to the sales panel over here. Like T-shirt, for example, 700 rupees I am going to sell it. TS, for example, 500 rupees I am going to sell it. TS 200 rupees I am going to sell it. Again, I am mixing one product, JE 400, SA 500, whatever it is. I just going to sell it. The 500, 300, 400, it's a price. Directly you can enter the price. See, look at that. Look at that. The T-shirt which you added, 700, 500, 200, and see the jeans and sari, everything. If you want to make the print out, of course, there is a print button. You can give the print command over here. Here it is, the print. Look at that. It's a beautiful printout came already here. Very easy, very simple. And let me show you that report, tax reports. I go to the sales register item wise, go down, go down, go down, and here, see, t-shirt, how many percentage tax you added? 12%, right? Go here, go here, go here. 6 plus 6, 12, see? 6 plus 6. Here it is. Not only in the tax report, each and every reports, everywhere these reports will reflect. And that's the technology we done with Gorilla technology. So Gorilla, how do you feel it? Really you feel it or not? But if you want to make, normal way, like including stock, you want to add something. Yes. You can add directly through purchase entry or, directly through product add technology. That I will mention in next video because the video is getting very big. That's why I will mention it in the next video. If you want to add some product including stock or something like that. Yes. There is a technology called RD Gorilla. I will give a brief, small brief about that. Selected a supplier over here and click on this RD Gorilla and upload any invoice over here. For example, this invoice, click on extract data. And here, some of my customers, they ask me the specific question that when we are adding a new PDF purchase entry file from your supplier, if it is a new product, do you need to add separately or no? No need to add separately. Directly drag and drop your supplier PDF file over here and it will automatically extract all this. See how many seconds it was, 13 seconds we taken, and it's around 37-40 products are there. It's all extracted here directly. And what is your sales margin? You can fix it over here, wholesale margin, whatever it is. For example, you need MRP 30% margin. And wholesale price, for example, 25% margin, and bring to purchase entry. It's automatically, you see, and total GST, everything. And you did not see that PDF file, no? Let me show you. You can directly save it. Save it directly. It will automatically save into your purchase entry. And which Excel sheet I uploaded? This Excel sheet. The Excel sheet which is provided by the supplier. There is so many informations are there. If you go down, there is total GST 2,179, exactly same data. This technology is doing by artificial intelligence technology. The PDF PDF extracting, PDF file extracting and data transfer to billing software. It's beautiful technology. For this one, you don't want to add previously products and all, nothing. Software is blank. There is no information, no products, nothing. Just bring the supplier PDF and upload it in RD Gorilla. It will automatically read, including product name, GST, purchase price, everything, and sales margin. You can fix it over here. Directly save it. For example, you are doing a purchase entry taking 5 hours, 10 hours, or maybe in multiple days. Here in seconds. That is RD Gorilla technology in Retail Daddy. And stay tuned for the upcoming updates and technologies. Welcome to RAINTECH Software Limited. Bye-bye.